Supermarine Spitfire. Bills, I believe, and in behind Greg Anders. Got the tail wheel in the P-51D Mustang known as... Last but not least, John Sessions in the F8 based at Payne Field. And at this point in time, I'd like to welcome to the microphone Mr. Dan Blanchard, also from the Historic Flight Foundation. Dan, welcome to day number 3 of the Airshow. 600-horsepower prep 40 engine pulling that aircraft through the skies. Maximum speed about 212 miles per hour, up to about 21,000 feet. The way this goes by. That is a big and heavy airplane, folks, but what a lot of fun it is to fly. Skyway's aircraft over in Langley started with this type of machine here and did crop dusting and then firebombing. That company eventually evolved into Conair Aviation right here at the Abbotsford. 10, the Airbus 320 worked for Air Canada as a stagger wing. Of course, all part of the Canadian Museum of Flight, located over on the Bearcat and the Spitfire. Let's talk a little bit about that Spitfire. It's got a lot of history, I understand. It does have history. We're very fortunate. Great big Douglas Sky Raider. Bill's wife and museum secretary for many years, Valerie, also reflects the fond memories that Bill had for his time spent in Iceland and as ambassador to England. There's a 4-point head control and a P-51D Mustang Valhalla. And with that beautiful 4-point hesitant forwards again from our right.